Hi Draw Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse. So let's get started. To draw cute Gabby, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about right here, and draw another circle. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that eyes in, I'm going to spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So come to the sides right here, and I'm just going to draw in two curves. And same thing over here, one longer and one a little bit shorter. Then from there, we're going to come to the top of her eye, about right here, and I'm going to draw a slight curve coming down. And then we're going to thicken it up for her brow. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And down. There. And let's give Gabby a sweet smile. So right about here in the center, we're going to draw a curve and go slightly upwards and cap it off. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, really close to these lashes, and give myself a point. And same thing here. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to go around the eye. And then I'm going to head downwards. But as I come down, I'm just going to kind of imagine how far I want her chin to come down to. Find my center. And I'll just say about right here. I'll give myself a point. It's just so it's easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm just going to bring my curve down all the way to my point. And same thing here. And connect. There. So now that we have that in, we can go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm just going to bring this up slightly. And same thing here. And her hair parts towards the side. So maybe like the top of this brow go up. And let's just say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And on this side, I'm going to wave it down. I'm going to draw one curve and then wave it towards her brow, wave it again, and then just bring it out. And then on this side, I'm just going to wave it 2 times. 1 and 2, and then bring it in. Then from there, let's come back. I guess we should draw her ears first. Sorry about that. I'm going to come back to where her eyes are, about right here. And we're going to pop out her ears. I'm going to draw a curve, put in some details on the inside, and same thing on the other side, about right here. And then now we can go ahead and finish her hair. So we're going to come up here and let's see, just going to draw a curve coming up, and about right here, we're going to pop it out. So 2 curves going each way, and then we're going to come up and come down. And as we come down, we're going to kind of wobble a little bit and come right back in, because our hair is very curly. So we're going to do the same thing here. Come down. As we come back in, just kind of wobble a little bit. And if you like, you can just draw in little curves right there for some detail. Then from there, we need to draw her cat ears. So let's see here. We're going to put them in this area right here. And I'm just going to, let's see here for the, okay, let's start over here. Sorry. I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to pop in these ears round off the tip, and then come down. And I'm not touching that yet because I need to draw a band. So I'm going to come across. The other ear should be about right here. And we're going to draw the same thing. Go up, round it off, and bring it down. And then right here, just connect it. And whatever space you have right here, just kind of tuck it in, just so that it looks like there's a continuation of this band in her hair. And then come right back here, draw a curve to draw the insides of the ear. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there we can draw the rest of her hair later. Let's draw her body first. So I'm going to come back to the center area and let's say about right here and here. Give her a little neck, and we're going to draw a curve coming down but coming out. So it's a little bit different because she's kind of wearing this jacket with a hoodie. So now that we have this curve in, we're going to, let's see here, about right here, curve out and then bring this down. Same thing here, curve out. And then we're going to draw this. It kind of looks like a collar, right? But then we're going to continue this down for her shoulder. And then about right here, kind of like where her armpit area would be, I'm just going to give myself 2 points, and I'm going to draw an angle line down on both sides, just so I kind of know where her body is. And I'm going to come back in this area and give her a neckline. And then let's go ahead and finish her jacket. So let's bring this out a little bit more. And I'm going to bring down her jacket, her little top. And connect that. And then we're going to continue down. Just come in a little bit, continue down. Also at a slight angle for her shirt inside. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and stop and connect. Then I'm going to come back and find my center. So come down a little bit, and about right here, I'm just going to give myself a slight angle line. This is where her legs are going to start. And I'm going to come back to the center here and draw one coming a slight angle. And this one is going to be a little bit more angled out, because we're going to have one leg kind of going this way. So let's work on this leg first. I'm just going to bring it down. It's just going to get thinner as we come down. And then this part, we're going to round it off a little bit for the hip and then bring it in. To about right there. I'm going to cut it off. And then for her pants, she has this little cuff area, so I'm just going to add that in. So let's go and work on this side. So we're going to go back to about the same there. And then this is going to come down. And about right here, once again, cut it off. Add that little cuff. And then her shoes. So we're going to come down right here, give her a little ankle. Round it off. And then the back of her shoe, come down. This side is going to come at an angle and it's going to pop out. And connect back. And then for the details, we're going to come in here for a bottom and a top right here, and then just add 2 curves for some laces. So on this side, it's going to be angled out and curve. And once again, the back and down and connect. And a curve right here and then laces right here. So slightly different than this side. just a little bit more angled. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to come back before I forget. I'm drawing a center line. I think she has a pocket right here, just for some detail. And just gonna, not sure if I have enough space, but I'm just gonna add this right here for her hoodie. And then her arms. So let's have her arms, her hands on her hips about right here. So I'm just going to bring this up a little bit more. And then let's come back about right here. And we're going to angle her sleeves in, thicken it up, and connect. And then right here we're going to angle down and then fingers. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the rest of her hair. So she has very curly and long hair, so I'm going to come out about right here, and I'm just going to kind of wave my way down. I'm just going to try to taper it in as we come down. Maybe here and there you can put in a strand, but just tuck it in. And same thing here. And tuck it in there. And let's see here, and then some details on her top right here. Just gonna, there's some stripes, so one, and since I have more room here on this stripe, I'm gonna put in a little cat head. This is all about cats for Gabby. And another stripe. And then another stripe here with another cat head. There. And then there's even a cat's head right about here on her pants. So I'm right here. And 2 whiskers. And of course I need to add a heart. I almost forgot, so I'll add it right here on her jacket. And hopefully I haven't missed anything, but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse. I really hope you love how she turned out, and that helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.